In this video, I explain what volatility decay is all about and what you can do to avoid it. You will also learn how not to lose money while trading leverage tokens in sideways market. This is what most people ignore. The first of those risks is volatility decay, which is the silent killer trading leverage tokens. Let's use this leverage token as an instance. Don't forget, this is BTC3X. If the price of the real Bitcoin dropped by 10% and suddenly it went back by 10%, you will see the movement here. That implies that it went back roughly where it started. But with this leverage token of 3S that is based on the price of the real Bitcoin, it drops 30% and suddenly went back up 30%. You are still at a loss because it is like money going in and out, and your balance is going down due to volatility decay on every leverage token trade transaction on any platform because of the rebalancing. So the same system protecting you is also reducing your value in sideways market. This is why leverage crypto ETF trading shouldn't be long-term focused because of daily fee and rebalancing. So you shouldn't hold any leverage tokens for long term. Another risk that you need to know of is the amplified losses. If, for instance, you decide on the wrong direction, for instance, this leverage token is for short, that is, you are speculating that Bitcoin price will go down and you are not certain, and you decide to go for BTC long, this BTC long. Picking this, you are speculating that the real price of Bitcoin will go up in price. If you miss the direction of your speculation, losses happen very fast. So direction matters. This is why you only use leverage token when the price in the market are trending. That is, you are certain that the price of your selected asset is going up, or you are sure to some extent that the price is going to dip. Otherwise, you are going to lose money. So when you are talking about sideways market, it's not always advisable you employ leverage token transaction because of the up and down movements of the price of the asset and the implementation of rebalancing on leverage token transactions. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. You now have an idea of what volatility decay is all about. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.